Today's topic, how to disassemble a bicycle hub. First, let's remove the free hub. Like this. Next, take out the small parts from the free hub and hub one by one. Now, important, grab your quick release tool. Line it up with the hub and insert it. Now, start spinning it like crazy to remove the axle. Once the axle's out, pop out one side's bearing first. Then reinsert the tool and keep spinning to get the other bearing. Get that last bearing out. Boom! Hub disassembly done! Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment if you enjoyed this. See you next time!